Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how we can update to the latest version of Margex application on your mobile device. If you want to keep your Margex app updated, then it is super important to ensure you have the access to the latest feature, security improvements, and bug fixes. So in order to do that, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, which can be a Wi-Fi or a cellular network, and once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's type. Now in the search bar, type in Margex and search. Look for the Margex application from Margex Trading Solutions Ltd, this one over here, and look if there is an update button available. If you see an update button on the page, it means a newer version is available. If you see open, your app is already updated to the latest version. If you see update, tap on it and wait for the download and installation process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, and once done, tap on open to log into a Margex account and allow any required permissions if prompted. So that is how you successfully update the Margex application on your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, keeping the app up to date ensures better performance, improved security, and access to the latest trading tools. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.